what's up? I'm Lucy Vincent, seven-figure coach and social media agency owner. I'm so excited to talk to you about an often overlooked but absolutely critical piece of your marketing agency, a portfolio. I cannot tell you, after working with thousands of social media managers over the last 4+ years, I have seen so many people sleep on their portfolio. Sometimes they don't have it at all. Sometimes they have it and it's absolutely embarrassing and not a good representation of your brand. Sometimes it hasn't been updated in 5+ years. So your social media portfolio is critical. I have seen people absolutely explode their marketing agency when they implement the correct format and structure for their portfolio. So I think it's absolutely crucial to scaling your business. What I love about portfolios is the fact that they can basically be your silent salesperson, right? So many times I've gotten on a sales call with a lead that is ready to throw their credit card at me in a nice way because they've seen my portfolio. It's really amazing to be able to showcase what you've done before, a little bit about your brand, who you are, right? How you speak, your graphic design skills, and obviously the results that you've gotten for clients so that they can picture themselves as one of your future clients. So it's really important to tell stories as well, not just analytics. So when I'm thinking about a portfolio, I'm thinking about the different type of buyers, right? I'm thinking about the analytical buyer. I'm thinking about the buyer that really likes the storytelling and the messaging, the feeling that my portfolio evokes for them. I am making sure that I'm hitting both because honestly, I'm a little bit of both, right? I buy a lot analytically from my masculine side, but then I also slip into my feminine and buy from how I feel, right? How the story intertwines and it makes me feel like, oh my gosh, I could see myself as one of their clients. So one of the biggest places I see social media managers failing with their portfolio is that they aren't clear about who they are, the type of brands that they work with. They aren't clear in their messaging. Their graphic design work is shady at best because it looks like it's just been thrown together. And only once in all of my time have I heard of a portfolio that was like way too long, 50+ pages or something. This is a highlight reel, right? This is just the need to know to working with you. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We do offer a portfolio template on our shop with the link below. I hope you enjoyed this. I will talk to you soon.